Hello, allow me to introduce you to the KS4000 IHSCO inverter generator from the German brand Könner Söhnen, a bestseller in over 20 European countries. What makes it so special? The flexibility. Normal limits. This inverter generator runs on both gasoline and liquefied gas, propane. It's just perfect for any applications from backup power to outdoor activities. Pure sine wave. The microprocessor-controlled electronic unit controls the generator operation and ensures stable sinusoidal output voltage. This voltage is required for the reliable working process of modern, sensitive electronic equipment. Fuel economy. The economic operating mode allows you to save up to 50% of fuel, adding to both the power and efficiency of the generator. Technological effectiveness. With an integrated electric start, a multifunctional LED display, an ACO sensor, and the capability of the parallel connection for double power output, the KS4000 IHSCO inverter generator will be your reliable assistant in any situation. Why should you choose this particular model? Durability. The KS4000 IHSCO generator is based on a durable branded KNS engine and an alternator with 100% copper winding capable of handling maximum loads without any damage. German quality, produced under the German engineer's control, along with all the necessary quality certificates. This generator is all about reliability and safety. Portability. Thanks to its compact size and transportation kit, you can take this generator wherever you go. User-friendliness. The dual-fuel operation, low noise, stable voltage, multifunctional interface, protection system, and complete set of necessary accessories. All this makes this generator the ideal choice for advanced users. What you get with the KS4000 IHSCO is not just a generator, but a cutting-edge tool you can no longer imagine your life without. Let the power outages no longer be a problem and make your travels unforgettable with the KS4000 IHSCO generator from Könner Söhnen. Go for German quality. Opt for the KS4000 IHSCO generator.